I'm going to show you how to order from Flash Custom Transfers, how to order your gang sheets. So we are back up, locked and loaded for the rest of the year. We went through a lot of stuff. We have our account back, but we will be moving all of the process to order your transfers to Flash Printing Depot. The reason why is because you can now upload your gang sheet. So no longer do you have to email your gang sheet whenever you order. You can just send it right in, place the order, upload your gang sheet, and ready to go. Now, if you have any questions, you can email us right here, and I'll fix this little error right here. You can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. And once you do that, if you have any other questions, we'll take your gang sheet from there. But we want everybody to learn how to create their gang sheet because it makes the process a lot faster. Yeah, we are printing on these Mamaki machines, which are still available. So if you are interested, maybe you got that income tax money and you are looking to invest it well, you want to get into a DTF printer, the Mamaki is the way to go. It's a safe bet. You won't have to worry about all those issues all those horror stories that you hear going on in the industry. And again, we have this is hands down the most filmed DTF printer out. There are a lot of people talking about transfers, but nobody actually films the process of the printer, and they don't do it live like we do here at Flash Custom Transfers. So you're just gonna come on over to flashcustomtransfers.com as normal, and then you can either click the picture or you can click by here. Let's try clicking the picture. It's gonna bring you directly to Flash Printing Depot, which is our site that is mainly focused on selling hardware, big printers, and also here soon, the consumables for everything that you need for all your DTF printing needs. Click this right here, and then now you can just click whatever size that you want, 22 by 24, 36, 60, 120, and choose your image. Come in here, add it, hit add to cart, and just check out as normal. So it's super easy now. You don't have to go through an email and say, did you get it or anything? No, we get it. We got it. Anytime you place an order, especially with Shopify, it's such a smooth process. So Square website is still active, but everything related to DTF gang sheets will be done through Flash Printing Depot. But again, if you have any questions, just email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. So I just want to let anybody know out there, if you're looking to buy transfers, yes, everything's still available. Don't think that you're going to a different website. Oh, I clicked buy here and it took me to a different website. No, that's us. This is still us. I made this website. I put out a video on it. This is where you can actually get equipment financing. So you can come right here and you can click to apply to get equipment financing. So we offer all of these options, and if this option doesn't work for you, email us. We have other financial institutions that we work with. We can get you financed for a printer. Now's the time. Now is the time. They know people are trying to get into these printers. Trust me, they want to help you get into a printer. So just let us know if you have any questions. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm so excited that we now have this option. Remember, we do have all these digital downloads here at flashcustomtransfers.com. You can come here and get all these digital packs. We got a lot of free stuff, these free images here, and then all these digital packs. But remember, we're your one-stop source for everything that you need. If you have any questions, email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com.